Welcome to Daily Brief. Don Yoakum here, where I give you a pick a day plus the big picture perspective you need to make these markets work for you. Okay, not a whole lot to talk about in the markets right now. We're still kind of trapped between the inflationary fears, which seem to be receding a little bit, though they definitely exist. We shouldn't forget about them 100%, or the recession fear that are crying. Growth is starting to be a real problem. The market's kind of trapped. We've got a holiday shortened week, low trading volumes. May not see a whole lot of movement this week, and there's not a whole lot of bias in the markets. I've been looking at stocks last week, not seeing a whole lot of direction. Usually when it's setting up for a big move one way or the other, you see a whole lot of stocks setting up for a bearish pattern on the volume profile, or if it's going to make a move up, you see these kind of bullish patterns build on the individual stock level. Not seeing that. However, there is a single stock that I want you to focus on, ON Semiconductors. Let's share the screen and I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here. Then you can decide if this is something that makes sense for you. This is the 180 days. So over the last 6 months, this is how the volume has been distributed on this stock over the last 180 days. This whole setup, so the volume profile here looks very bearish. You've got this rising volume, all the way down to a much lower level. Kind of failed every time it's made some moves up here around the $77 range. The volume tapers out. This is what its volume profile is. A profile of how the volume is distributed across price, right, over a given range. In this case, it's 180 day. We're also in this opportunity zone right here. We just passed through it, just peaked below it. To me, that's a good signal on a sell sign. If you want to find out more about the OZ scanner, give us a call. We just build this indicator. We're happy to make it available to you. Okay, so you got this opportunity zone scanner, getting out of the OZ, the opportunity zone, and now we're setting up to make a move possibly quite a bit lower, but at least a little bit lower here. If you look at the shorter time frame too, same sort of thing. It failed to make a larger extreme move up here at the higher prices, and now I think we're going to make a move lower. So this is my pick. This is my pick for the daily pick today. I want you to short ON Semiconductor. I wouldn't short it right here. I would let it sell off just a little bit to find out those levels, the entry points, the exit points, all that stuff like that. Click on the link below, join the daily pick. It's just $9 a month. If you know what to do, if you have other signals that you look at, if you got other things and now you've just been looking for an opportunity to short it, you think you got it from here, you see something else, that's great. Go ahead, knock yourself out. Let me know how the idea worked for you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily brief.